Hello my friends, how are you today? Yeah, today December 30th and we are here in São Paulo city to get my São Silvestre Race kit, and we are going to Ibirapuera Park. Here my friends runners. Guys, here inside this place a lot of people getting their kits, they are getting their race kits, and I already got mine. Each year is a kind of different color, the t-shirts. This year is a purple, and also this is my race bib. My number is 6215, and a lot of stores here also selling, energy stuffs, running t-shirts, running shoes, and a lot of energy drink samples. I got the coconut water, also energy drink, and yeah, a lot of stores here, a lot of people. A guy told me that more than 37,000 runners tomorrow in São Silvestre Race. The distribution of the kit, the race kit, started on December 27th and ends on December 30th today. And there are some people, they are crazy, they like to run with costumes. Behind me there is this guy. Look, he is from Rio. And there are people so crazy here, like they like to run barefoot. I saw an Indian here as well, and they like to run 15 kilometers with no running shoes at all. So the sun is scorching today. They here in São Paulo started a sunny day. There is this rain forecast for tomorrow, and I hope so, because the race starts at 8 a.m. and yeah, I think it's better to run on a rainy day than to run under a scorching sun. There are some friends from my region here. There is a runner, my runner friend Edvald from my city also is running this race. Okay guys, now heading back home. Really beautiful day today. Look at this famous museum. I think it's something related to indigenous people, this museum. This is the Ibirapuera Park. There is a track here. It takes like some minutes. The distance to go around this park, it's 10 kilometers. And tomorrow will be a big day. We are leaving Mauá around 5 in the morning because we need to prepare to this race. And my position, we have different waves. Mine is the blue wave. People who run something between 4 and 5 minutes each kilometer, and we are starting our race right behind the Kenyan people and African people. They run a lot. See ya guys. Hello guys. Yeah, today December 31st, last day of the year. Nothing better than to finish this year running. So I got up today 2:40. I managed to sleep for 3.5 hours only. Yeah, really anxious today for this last race of the year, São Silvestre Race, and I already wore my t-shirt. This t-shirt is from our runners group from my city. Whenever I run, I don't wear the race t-shirt. I always wear this t-shirt, this green t-shirt from our runners group. And yeah, now 4:30 in the morning, I already got my creatine and also a little bit of rapadura. It is a sweet here from Brazil that is made of sugar cane and will bring to me a lot of energy. Also one banana, and I'm waiting for the breakfast. I will have just bread and black coffee for today. And yeah, really anxious. And as soon as I get there in São Paulo city, I'm gonna show you the multitude of people who is coming to run this race. Okay, just got here in this famous avenue called Paulista Avenue. People coming, and now it's 6:15, and we are here to run this most famous street race in Brazil called São Silvestre. And why is this called São Silvestre? São Silvestre means Saint Sylvester. He was a pope. He's a saint from the Catholic Church, and today we celebrate the day of this saint. This is why this race is called São Silvestre Race. Now we are going to the lockers to keep our things there, our belongings. And in this race we have 5 different group of runners. The first one called Elite, it's the light gray color, and behind them there is this Premium, where those who can afford paying like 850 reais. Right behind there is the Blue, where I'm living, those who can run under 5 minutes per kilometer. And after we have the Green, and after the Red, with 2 groups, A and B, those who can run over 6 minutes per kilometer. These runner groups are called waves. So we have the Elite wave, we have the Premium wave, the Blue wave, Green wave, and Red wave. So yeah, let's wait. Now it's 6:30, and the race starts at 8:05. Okay, see ya. In all those buses behind me, I thought it was to get runners to the race, but it turned out that they are the lockers. And to get here, we took a CPTM train. It's a kind of metropolitan train, and also a subway. It took us like 1 hour to get here to Paulista Avenue. Now we're going to our position. Okay. And this is the 99th edition of São Silvestre Race. Next year it will be the 100th edition. This race, I think, started in 1925 or 1924. I'm not sure. This is the most traditional street race in Brazil. Okay? See, look, the people. All people in purple today. They are wearing the race t-shirt. Yeah, we are getting to the Blue wave. Yeah. Blue wave. Runners under 5 minutes per kilometer. they run all the routes, wearing these costumes. And the day started sunny day, but the high temperature will be 25 degrees during the morning. A good temperature. I thought it would rain, but the rain's not coming until the afternoon. Yeah guys, one more São Silvestre Race page. I tremble because I'm so tired. And I got my medal. This year is my third competition. I've participated in two São Silvestres, one in 2017 and another one in 2018. My time in both was 1 hour 23 minutes, and today I broke my personal record. Today 1 hour 21 minutes 30 seconds. But I confess guys, this last 2 kilometers is really tough. We have to, I would say, climb this mountain. It's so steep, 2 kilometers. Brigadeiro Avenue. And last race I was really tired, but today I managed to run. Look, the Paulista Avenue. I got this energetic drink. I cannot hold on, only use one hand because I'm trembling a lot. And I try to show you my medal, this beautiful medal. Look, it's the most beautiful medal I had. I have 3 of them. This one, I think it works on running this race. I hope you all have a wonderful 2025. And today, last day of the week. Tomorrow we are planning to take a 10-kilometer race in Mauá. And I hope you all have a blessed 2025. May God bless you all. See ya. Now trying to get the subway, but a lot of people here. It's like